Whenever you are on a vacation, you do not want to spend your time over your hair. However, you do want to look amazing for date nights and those selfies. These are the best travel hair dryers you need to own. You want a travel hair dryer, but you don't know which one best suits your needs. We've done all the research and found the best travel hair dryers for every type of person. There are many products available to choose from best travel hair dryer, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best travel hair dryer from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Revlon Compact Hair Dryer with Folding Handle. What sets this travel hair dryer apart from the rest is that it works well on both low and high voltages. You don't have to rely on the adapter alone to power your dryer. This dual voltage dryer is perfect for use when you take it overseas. It works perfectly well and lasts long. It comes with a compact design and a folding handle that can be easily carried for travel. Revlon 1875-watt compact hair dryer uses ionic technology. Ionic technology is a process that creates ions, which are electrically charged particles, during the drying. Ionic technology is inexpensive luxury travel hair dryers. It makes the air stickier, which will lead to shinier hair, without having to use any other products like hairsprays or powders. The Revlon dual voltage travel hair dryer has 3x ceramic coating, which reduces damage and frizz. It is equipped with a smoothing concentrator. It is one of the best hair tools you will invest in. Small design, great for travel, storage or gym bag. Versatility. Number 2. Evonik Mini Blow Dryer. If you travel with an overpacked suitcase and space is your major concern, you must consider this hair dryer. It is small in size and comes with all the extras you need. It is equipped with a straight nozzle, has a diffuser, and a convenient carrying case. The mini dryer has a powerful airflow in the portable appliance. It comes with tourmaline infused ceramic components that radiate far infrared heat and remove the negative ions to handle moisture, reduce frizz, and speed up the process of drying. It comes with 2-speed settings and allows customization for all types and textures of hair. The blow dryer is perfect for global international travel. Mini Healthy Heat Pro Power Dryer is a powerful 1200-watt tool that harnesses the latest technology and innovative materials to deliver results. Tourmaline and ceramic components emit far infrared heat and negative ions that lock in moisture for a smooth, frizz-free finish. Complete with a cosmetic bag and dual voltage feature, this set is the ideal travel companion for instant beautification. Number 3. Drybar Buttercup Blow Dryer. The Baby Buttercup Blow Dryer also has an ionic technology that increases shine and reduces frizz and drying time, which give you those extra fine hairstyles for a night out. This is a lightweight hairdryer that can change the way you style your hair when traveling. Ultra-powerful 1875-watt motor and ionic technology provide the shiniest, frizz-free blowouts in 20% less time than most professional dryers. Ionic technology. Negative ion generator blows billions of negative ions into hair to seal the cuticle and reduce frizz, while drying. Wave heater allows for uniform heat distribution for faster and more even drying. Lightweight design, 1 pound 2 ounces 0.51 kilograms, allows for comfortable styling. Features a professional length 9 feet, 2.74 meters cord. 3 heat and 2 power setting. Number 4. GHD Flight Travel Hairdryer. The hairdryer is so light and small that you can justify packing another pair of shoes. It is lightweight but is high on power, which makes it one of the best travel hair dryers out there. The hairdryer comes with a precision nozzle which promises a smooth blowout. The hairdryer is equipped with safeguard technology, and it automatically turns off when it comes close to your hair to prevent damage. You can conveniently pack it in your suitcase in the dust bag to keep it safe. Number 5. Remington Dryer. This hairdryer is everything. It has high power and strong performance. The Remington lightweight hairdryer has a strong grip and location of controls. Plus, it is not too loud. It is certainly the best dual voltage travel dryer for thick hair. The dryer is well balanced and has ionic, ceramic, and tourmaline technology. It is equipped with different temperate settings, and you do not even need the hottest one to achieve mind-blowing results. It works perfectly well on thick curly hair and will dry your hair in no time. Pros: Pearl ceramic technology. Professional motor. 3 heat, 2-speed settings, cool shot. 1875 watts max power. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.